Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can download and install Fortnite on your PC. It's really fast and easy, and let me show you how. So first you need to go on epicgames.com, and you should be on then when you go on epicgames.com on this front page, and on the top right corner it should be a yellow button with a download title. So you need to press on it, and then you need to select the basically platform that you want to play. So this video is for PC, so you need to press PC or Mac, and then you need to, as you can see here, thank you for downloading, and then you need to select the basically software that you're using, so Windows, Mac or Android, and basically Epic installer will be downloaded to your PC. So I will need to wait. And guys, once you downloaded the Epic launcher, then you need to basically install it to your PC. It's normal installation process, and it will take you, as you can see here, a few minutes to do so. And when I install Epic launcher, I will show you the next step that you need to take. And guys, when the Epic launcher is installed, then you need to log into your Epic Games account, and then on search you need to write Fortnite here, and you should see then this window, and then press view offer here, and then as you can see here, it will the Fortnite normal version it's free, and it will be added to your library, as you can see here. And then what you need to do here is to press install and install Fortnite. But unfortunately I don't have a space to install, but simply, as you can see here, you need to install, and then you can play Fortnite. Alright, so on PC. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.